This is our ACLS1500 Comprehensive Infant Emergency Skills Training Mannequin. Now we will show you the connection. Connect this white cable from the computer to the orange box. On the left side of the mannequin, there are 6 transparent tubes. Here are 6 transparent tubes on the left side of the mannequin, which connect to the orange box. Its functions are compression detection, ventilation detection, artery pulse, airway obstruction, left lung, right lung. You can connect the transparent tube according to the words on the tube, and also you can check the colors. There is also another cable. You need to connect the mannequin to the orange box. Connect this black cable from the air compressor to the orange box. We can perform IV infusion, blood transfusion, injection, and blood drawing on this mannequin. There are 2 yellow tubes on the arm. One is upper limb veins outlet, which we can remove the simulated blood after operation, and the other one is inlet, which we can inject the simulated blood into the veins. Here are another 2 tubes on the right and left foot, which used for lower limb veins injection. Here is a transparent tube on the right side of the mannequin, which is outlet of gastric lavage tube. We can remove the extra fluid after we operate gastric lavage operation. Here is some introduction of blood pressure measurement. For this controller box, we supply 2 ways for your choice. You can choose AC adapter, and also you can use the battery. We can set up the data of systolic and diastolic blood pressure. Volume, language also can be changed on this controller box. Defibrillation function. Put the defibrillation chest skin on the mannequin, and then connect XD1000I and CC999I. Defibrillation and pacing function. Put the chest skin on the mannequin. To achieve real defibrillation and pacing by using with the real defibrillator pacer, which need to be prepared by the user self. And also you can choose our G880N. Simple observation. One side is normal, the other side is dilated. Nasal feeding, air intubation, and mouth clean.
1.
Simulated human jaw position. Simulated radial artery pulse. Simulated brachial artery pulse. Simulated femoral artery pulse.
2.
Intramuscular injection. Ostomy care. Male and female catheterization. Software functions demonstration. Open skill training software. As you can see, special skill training, systematic script operation, system setting, script editing are available. Open the special skill training. CPR emergency training. 3 CPR operation modes are available. Select self-operation training. Click Start.
Compression is too deep.
Compression depth is sufficient.
Compression
Correct.
is too deep.
Excessive will be show different colors on the software.
is deficient. Low in is deficient.
Inflation volume also can be shown by different colors.
Low in is deficient.
After CPR training, let's say intubation operation. We can observe the tube position on the software. Put the defibrillation test skin on the mannequin. Open simulative defibrillation operation. Click Start. Choose the defibrillated energy. Cyanosis. Help. Put auscultation test the skin on the mannequin. Connect the simulative stethoscope on the orange box. Choose the sound you want training on the software. First, the hard sound.
Please open the electrode pad bag and take out the pad. Please insert the connector of the electrode pad into the interface board. Please open one pad. Please adhere the pad to the right upper chest. Please open the other pad and adhere to the left lower chest. It is checking the pad. Please wait. Please don't touch patient's body and wait voice indication. Start to analyze the cardiac rhythm. Suggest to defibrillate. It's charging. Please wait. Please don't touch patient's body and wait voice indication. Charging is finished. Please press red heart-shaped button and conduct one shock. Defibrillation is finished.
Blood oxygen cable. ECG cable. USB cable. One port connect G115, the other port connect to another side. Power cable. Internet cable. Connect G115 and the router. We choose the first one. Power cable of the router. Turn on the monitor. How to exit this interface? Alt Fn F4, and then we will teach you how to set IP address. Long press network. Properties. Change adapter setting. Long press local area connection. Properties. Choose the fifth one, TCP IPv4. Properties. Input this IP address on your computer. OK. How to set up Windows firewall setting. Long press network. Properties. This one, Windows firewall. Change notification setting. Please ensure your monitor select these two. Turn off Windows firewall. OK. This is a serial port LAN. Connect the orange box and use our standard accessory USB converter. Connect it to the laptop. We need to check whether your laptop identifies this USB. Let's check the serial port. Computer. Properties. Device manager. Ports COM and LPT. USB serial port COM6. Check the internet connection. Choose this one. This is the router's name. Connect. Open skill training software. Serial number select setting. Serial name COM6. Setting, Configuration, Where do you monitor parameters? Computer name, it must be same as G115 IP address. Press OK. Then we will test the communication. Choose one setup script. Check this one, which means we didn't connect it successfully. Press recovered. Then all of the data of this software will be shown on the G115. Check USB. Properties. Device Manager. Other device. USB serial port. We see there is a yellow triangle, which means there is some problem of the USB serial port. We need to install the drive program on the monitor. We put the drive program into this software. You will find it. USB drive. Choose this file. This is a setup program. Check it again. Now the USB is identified.